In this video we will learn about Fromkeys method. So it creates a dictionary from a given sequence of elements with a value provided by the user. So it takes two parameter, sequence and value. This value is optional. We can only use sequence also. So I am going to make a keys variable, and here I am going to make a dictionary of A, E, I, O and U. So this is our new dictionary. So let's make a new variable. Let's say vowels equals, we call dictionary dot Fromkeys. So here I am going to use the sequence as the case itself. So key. So let me print the vowels. So you can see here all the elements are there in vowels variable. So here we will be creating, so let's copy this. So we'll create a dictionary from a sequence of keys with values. We'll provide values as well. So let me create a new variable value, and I'm going to put here vowel. Okay, so let's put the vowels equals dictionary dot Fromkeys, and here we'll be using keys and value. Let me print the vowels. So you will see here vowel is there as the value in every element. So let's create a dictionary from a mutable object list. So let's make value as a list which contain only one element, that is 1. So let's make vowels is equals dictionary dot Fromkeys. Okay, so here we will be putting keys and value. So let me print the vowels. So you can see here the values. So let me put here value dot append. We'll append it with 2. So now let's see the output. So you can see here